everyone and welcome back to the coronadiet channel. Tonight we're going to make a Thai green curry and it's really simple and really delicious. We just need a curry paste and some coconut cream. Now I've roughly chopped all the fresh ingredients that we need. We've got coriander, chilli, lemongrass, ginger and garlic in a Pyrex jug, and I've just topped it up with some sesame oil, olive oil and a couple tablespoons of fish sauce. You can omit the fish sauce if you want to make it vegan. I'm just going to blend this up to make a nice little paste. That smells delicious. Now tonight we're going to make a chicken Thai green curry, but you can easily make this vegan by just putting vegetables in. Aubergines are really delicious in a Thai green curry. So I'm just going to start with chopping up my chicken just into some bite-sized pieces. We're just going to actually pan fry this. So the wok has been heating up with vegetable oil. Don't want to overcrowd the pan, but just want to get a bit of colour on these bits of chicken. I'm going to season. So the more colour you have on your meat, the more flavour it's going to bring into the dish. So it's got good colour on the other side, so I'm just going to take it out so I don't want it to go any over. And then we're just going to sizzle up our curry paste in the juice that's left over. So in the hot pan, I'm just going to, oh that smells amazing. The paste hitting the hot pan just like releases all that fresh ginger and chilli. We're going to leave it too long. I'm just going to add in our coconut cream. So we're just going to get our sauce hot. I'm just going to give it a good season. Now you can add in bamboo shoots or other vegetables to go with the chicken as well, or just vegetables on their own.
Hey Cora, what's cooking, Cora? Ooh.
Ooh, jumpy dog. So we've just got our rice simmering away, and we've got our sauce up to heat, and we're just going to add in the last 5 minutes our chicken from earlier. And then we're about ready. So after 5 minutes our chicken should be all cooked through, and our rice, we just drained our rice so it's all ready. So it just needs to be served up. Our homemade Thai green curry. We're going to make a chicken Thai green curry tonight, but you can make this vegan if you just make. You can make this vegan. Add in the chicken at the end just to give it to warm. So, so just gonna get and then get it warm.